Tell me the temperature. 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we've gone down in temperature. Well, finally the weather has cleared up a little. It's not been freezing, it's not been raining, well, not been raining too much, and I can actually get out on the bike. We'll see how today goes. Oh god, just love these red lights. Man, it's cold. It's like 2 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but like 30 maybe. It's cold. But this is what we've got to deal with, so we deal with it. Oh, that car's been smashed up. Ooh, bumpy, 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 bumpy. If I was a girl, I'd be enjoying this. I still kinda am. Avoid the stank, the sleepy, sleepy stank. Avoid the sleepy, sleepy stank, sleepy stank. Yeah, slow down, no. I don't know if anything interesting will happen whilst I'm out doing this, but hey, sneaky car. But, you know, you got to record in case anyway. 9:02 AM, what's the temperature? Come on, tell me the temperature. 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we've gone down in temperature. What the fuck, nature? That's not how it works! You go up! The sun makes the temperature go up, not down, up. The fuck, nature? Fucking sun, get your act together. It's 9 AM, should be warm. Little bastard. There's arsehole sun there. Visor down. Eye protection, motherfucker. Can't see a fucking thing with it down though, cause it fogs up. Shiitake mushrooms, can you go to green please? It's getting you nowhere, pal.